Yo, what's up sa inyo, bossing? Eto na naman, pinadalahan tayo ng Gem Perfumery and ano kaya to? Let's see, tropa. Let's go. Oh, cutter. Oh. Uy. Eto naman. Nakakakilig. Unahin natin dito, tropa. Ano ba to? Vogue. Ano yata to? 30 ml yata to. Di ko alam kung i-release nila to. Pero, ay hindi. 50 ml. Pero, ewan ko kung 50 ml to dapat. Pero parang 30 ml yung bote na to. And, I'm not sure if magre-release sila ng 30 ml. Pero, abangan na lang natin. This is Smoky Quartz. Ito yung smoking hot nila. Yung take nila ng smoking hot ng Kilian. By Kilian. Ito, to be honest with you, hindi ko alam yung smoking hot ng Kilian, okay? So, let's see, tropa. Bango! Bango man! Ooh! Pati ba naman yung 30 ml? Pressurized? Ooh! Bango! Woo! Kakaiba yung ano niya, men. Kakaiba yung opening niya, pero hindi ko pa alam yung dry down. Initial review lang muna, initial impressions, Bango man, ang bango man, 30 ml. Next natin is Amber, which is their take, I'm pretty sure, of God of Fire. Ayan, tropa, Amber ng Gem Perfumery. Ooh! 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 Ang sexy, man! Bango! Ganda. And then their Garnet. Ay, naiwan yung takip. And then their Garnet. Yung kanilang YSL Myself. And nung una kong naamoy to, ang bango talaga, men. Itong YSL Myself nila, mabango. So, titignan natin kung talagang ganun pa din yung amoy. Pero, nagustuhan ko to first time na naamoy ko siya. Ang bango talaga. Pero may pagka-smoky siya. Pero, bango talaga man. Bango talaga nito. Pero lahat sila solid. Smoky quartz. Etong Garnet, which is yung YSL Myself. Ito naman is Kilian Smoking Hot. And ito naman Amber, which is their take of God of Fire. On God of Fire pala. Which is their take on God of Fire. Napaka-solid lahat, men. Pero kung ako papipili, ang pinaka nagustuhan ko sa initial review na to, initial impressions na to, Amber. Amber ng Gem Perfumery or their take on God of Fire. Yun lang. Thank you so much, Gem Perfumery. Grabe, guys. Ang bango.